Wolo, wolo, Minitemba lami ngadala emazweni. Ubengicela ukungikhumbule mawuthola ithuba ntombi. Kulezo ndaba ikho lami uthando lwami olukasapho. Jabula matandana, matandana ntombi. Uyasazi isitutula sentombi. Intombi yo. Engatole makude uyasazi isitutula sentombi intombi yo engatole makude ngashoni wewe now ngicela ungithathe nyawozo umalete nyakwalo ngifuna ukubona intombi yo hliziyo kancane ningamgcini umuntu wo sekuzele isikhathi esincane. I have a magical voice because when I'm on stage, a lot of people get so emotional because of this amazing voice that I'm gifted with.
Sani Bonani!
Yeah.
Oh, Hamba!
Some guys don't know.
How?
So, don't worry. You've got one no, one yes. JR is
You are my last
very...
hope.
Don't even beg him. Don't beg him. He's a very lenient man. Your future depends on him. Like your future entirely. JR.
Definitely a no.
My guy. My guy. I was with you.
Yo. You've even humiliated this gargantuan colloquialism that's contrabagated my perspication.
Expressingly the flow. I Pevereld.
Pepper.
As in go.
Thank you so much.
My
Thank
friend.
you.
Give me a ticket like this. You take it out if I can.
You team stuff like this.
Tickets
Ngiyabonga.
Bye-bye.
Avati,
Eh,
are you satisfied with the experience?
extremely satisfied.
Is it?
Yes.
Anything that you wish to say to all of us who support you?
I would like to say, if you're a person with a high expectation, you should always have that negative visualization at the back of your mind, so that if you get disappointed, it doesn't hurt you so much.
Okay.
Yes. Expect things to not work out.
Who said some wise words there? Did you hear?